Whiteout conditions in the snowstorm. Kansas National Guardsmen were also out helping stranded drivers across the state. And you see that video, Nick, of all the cars pulled over to the side. They can't go anywhere.
All right, good morning. It's 5 o'clock in Kansas City. We're supposed to be on a van at 4:45, but none of the limos or vans are operating this morning. Look at that. Flights resuming at Kansas City. Not yet. We don't have a van. Okay, so pretty much as you saw in that video, we were in the middle of a blizzard yesterday, and pretty much all that we got from that was that all the roads are still closed, and none of the van services or limo services are willing to come out and pick us up because the roads are too dangerous. We're working on getting taxis. There's about, I want to say 6 crews here. There's like, I don't know, probably 12 flight attendants. I know I've seen at least 6 pilots. It's just crazy at the moment. So we're all trying to figure it out, figure out who needs to get there first and who is actually flying, where and how, and does everybody have their crew with them and all that kind of stuff. And at the moment, there are no answers. It looks like we're going to be late, but we're doing the best we can to still get there and hopefully be able to leave on time. It doesn't look really good right now, but we're going to try. This is the current state of outside. Still pretty windy, as you can see with the flags. Cold, and the ground is full of ice. So, I mean, this doesn't really show as well right here, but I don't know if you can see that street. That street right there. Yeah, that's ice.
Last but not least,
I do have a key for it. I don't know if that helps me.
That does help. Right.
Thank you very much. Alright, so I'm walking back into the hotel room. Supposedly they can't get a taxi here for at least an hour. So we all figured there's no reason to stand down there and pretty much do absolutely nothing. So we're all going back into the hotel rooms, and then we'll just meet up in an hour. Hopefully, when we get down there, there's actually a taxi. You know, they give us a time and all that, but you really don't know how real that is, seeing how the roads are so messed up. They can't drive at normal speed, so everything's really just a big estimate right now. It's the Real Housewives of Atlanta. Alright, so something did come out of this. I just figured it out. I looked at my phone and there's a message on there and it says, check your schedule, something has changed. So today's schedule was supposed to be, starting here in Kansas City, we were going to fly to Dallas. From Dallas, we were going to Salt Lake City. And from Salt Lake City, we were flying back to Dallas. Now, the schedule is Kansas City, we fly to Dallas, and we're done. So, already they've taken us off of our flight from Salt Lake City because when we got to Dallas, we were only supposed to have about an hour and 15 minutes. We would be landing in Dallas at the same time that we're supposed to be departing for Salt Lake City. So most likely what they've done is they've taken us off the trip, they've put a new crew on that trip, they put a new airplane on that trip, and that way the Dallas to Salt Lake City turn can still leave on time for all of them. So they're not going to delay their whole day just because we can't find a taxi. The only reason that they would do that is if they didn't have extra crews or they didn't have extra airplanes. But because they have that, and we're going to Dallas where we're supposed to end anyway, all we have to do now is one flight today, and we're all finished. Alright, well that was exciting and all. It is about an hour later, so I'm heading back downstairs, and hopefully, like we were saying, I really hope that there's a van sitting there waiting. Alright, so I'm down here, but it looks like I'm the only one down here. I could just be 15 minutes early. They might have changed their mind. She wanted to come down, I should say the captain wanted to come down a little bit early, so that's what I did, but now it looks like I'm the only one here. Alright, finally leaving. They gave us the big bus. Alright, so we finally made it. I'm at the point now I have to stop recording because we are inside and I have to get the airplane ready. And that's a wrap. We just got here to Dallas. It is currently 10:06, I think. What time is it? Alright, yeah, currently 10:06. It was a great flight. All the passengers were very understanding of the situation. They all were stuck here last night too. And yeah, we're going to pack up real quick and head over to the hotel. Alright guys, I'm in the hotel. I am very excited. It's been a very short day. It's only like 4 hours. The flight was nice. It was smooth the whole way. No weather to worry about. And we just sort of got out of there. Had to do some de-icing, but that's not really that big of a deal. Overall, from the time we left the hotel to right now, it's been a total of 4 hours. And I am ready to get undressed and I'm done for the day. So it's pretty nice. We are now in Fort Worth. Probably going to go over and see what's in the town here. I've never actually been in Fort Worth. I've been in Dallas a lot, but never in Fort Worth. It's still kind of early. I haven't had any breakfast yet today, and I've been up for a while now. Might lay down for a couple hours, and I'll get back to you, and then we'll go check out some stuff in the city. Crazy. Alright, so I'm just walking around right now and I'm trying to figure out pretty much where I'm at. I have absolutely no clue. I just asked where the large tree is and some lady just sort of pointed me in the right direction and I'm right in front of it now. I'm sure at night this place is pretty awesome. So I'm going to come back before I go and see what it looks like at night because this is pretty cool looking. But take a look. It's a massive tree right here. Like massive. I don't know if you can tell, but the tree is bigger than that building right there.